Hello friends, myself Dr. Rupal, CSO at BPX, a business process consulting company. So today let's understand 6 reasons why companies using SAP ERP must use SAP Signavio. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, leveraging the right tool is essential. SAP Signavio is not just an option, it's a necessity for companies aiming for unparalleled efficiency, collaboration, and growth. The first reason is seamless integration. The integration between SAP and SAP Signavio is seamless. Signavio effortlessly aligns with SAP systems, ensuring a harmonious flow of data and processes. This integration simplifies complex workflows, making operations more efficient and error-free. There are tools within Signavio like Process Intelligence and Insights, which connect with SAP, analyze your existing processes and compare with inbuilt best practices and surface weaknesses and areas for improvement. It also suggests intelligent corrective process flows. The second reason why companies using SAP ERP must use SAP Signavio is process optimization. Signavio empowers SAP companies to optimize their processes comprehensively. By visualizing, analyzing, and refining processes, businesses can identify bottlenecks, enhance efficiency, and reduce operational costs. It's not just about doing things, it's about doing them smarter. At number 3, real-time collaboration. In the age of collaboration, Signavio offers real-time teamwork capabilities through Signavio Process Collaboration Hub. Teams can collaborate seamlessly irrespective of geographical location. SAP companies can harness the power of collective intelligence, ensuring everyone is on the same page, working towards common goals. At number 4, data-driven decision-making. Signavio provides robust data analytics tools. SAP companies can turn raw data into actionable insights. Informed decision-making becomes a reality, enabling businesses to strategize effectively, anticipate market trends, and stay ahead in the competitive landscape. Reason number 5, compliance and risk management. Compliance and risk management are paramount. Signavio ensures SAP companies adhere to industry regulations and standards. By offering a clear view of compliance status and risk factors, it enables proactive measures, safeguarding the company's reputation and integrity. And number 6 is Signavio can drive enterprise-wide business transformation. SAP Signavio can create value across numerous processes and lines of businesses and drive enterprise-wide transformation. It helps you find high-impact, low-effort opportunities with potential to deliver quick wins, as well as identify long-term strategic areas for continuous improvement. To sum it up, integrating Signavio into your SAP operations is not just beneficial, it's essential. It's the synergy between the two powerful platforms that propel your company towards unprecedented efficiency, innovation, and competitiveness. Embrace the future today with SAP Signavio. Thank you for watching our video. For more such information on Signavio, do visit our website or you can reach out to us.